Our founding father, Sir Henry Royce, had a very insightful saying: small things make perfection, but perfection is no small thing. Today at Rolls Royce, we truly feel the impact of his words, because creating simplicity is an extremely complex process. Never more so than when it came to the development of our new Ghost. The question we continuously asked ourselves was, what is the very essence of Rolls Royce? We operate in a very refined marketplace, and we have to be laser focused on who our clients are. These extraordinary people are our lifeblood, our very reason for existing. Each of our products represents a different set of customer values. Each layer of our client groups is different, with a variety of needs and desires, unique to their personal life space. So, let me start from the beginning. In 2009, when we introduced the first Goodwood Ghost, we were responding to the requirements of a new and highly influential subset of our clients: entrepreneurs, founders, and successful business leaders, global citizens, male and female. They told us that they were seeking a different kind of a Rolls Royce, a less ostentatious, simpler Rolls Royce, which they could use as a business tool and for personal self-driving enjoyment. So we created our first Ghost with these people in mind. And that car went on to meet our most ambitious expectations. Over the past 11 years, it has become one of the most successful Rolls Royces in history. 5 years ago, we began an open dialogue with our closest Ghost clients, and we learned a great deal. They truly loved their Ghost. But within this particular layer of our clients, they expressed a desire for something even more refined, even less ostentatious. A car with a minimalist design ethic. Simple and distilled, but still, in every respect, a true Rolls Royce. Of course, they required advances across every level of the car's suite of technology and engineering. But they didn't want to sacrifice the pared-back simplicity of the original. And so, our design team set to work. They removed all unnecessary design embellishments. They deleted shut lines, and they erased superfluous detail on both exterior and interior of new Ghost. Then our engineers completely reconfigured our Rolls-Royce architecture. They distilled the on-road experience of our new car, imbuing it with an incredibly pure, refined driving personality. And this brilliant creative process by our experts at the home of Rolls-Royce in Goodwood has resulted in something very special: our new Ghost. In today's world, where many people are seeking increased simplicity, refinement and restraint, a post-opulent world, this Rolls Royce fits perfectly with the zeitgeist of our times. New Ghost is the very essence of Rolls Royce. It whispers, it doesn't shout. It's less, but better. It's quite simply Ghost and nothing more.